Hello everyone, and welcome back to Easy Solutions. In part 1, we checked the water supply and replaced the water filter. Two of the most common reasons why a refrigerator water dispenser stops working. But what if you've already tried those fixes and your dispenser still isn't dispensing water? In this video, we'll cover 3 more common causes that are often overlooked. These include a frozen water line, a faulty dispenser switch, and a defective water inlet valve. Let's jump right in. Check for a frozen water line. One of the most common hidden problems is a frozen water line inside the refrigerator door. This usually happens when the freezer temperature is set too low or when cold air flows directly onto the water tube inside the door. When the water line freezes, water cannot reach the dispenser, even though the refrigerator is connected to the water supply. A simple way to identify this problem is to listen carefully. Press the water dispenser lever while standing close to the refrigerator. If you hear a humming sound from the back of the refrigerator, but no water comes out, the inlet valve may be opening normally, but the water line could be frozen. To fix this, first check the freezer temperature. Most manufacturers recommend keeping the freezer at 0 degrees Fahrenheit or about -18 degrees Celsius. If your freezer is set much colder, increase the temperature slightly and wait several hours. You can also carefully warm the dispenser area using a hairdryer set to low heat. Never use high heat or place the hairdryer too close to plastic parts, as excessive heat can damage the refrigerator door. Move the warm air slowly around the dispenser area for several minutes. Once the ice melts, test the dispenser again. If water starts flowing, you found the problem. Test the dispenser switch. If the water line isn't frozen, the next thing to inspect is the dispenser switch. Every time you press the dispenser paddle or button, a small electrical switch tells the refrigerator to open the water valve. Over time, this switch can wear out or fail. If the switch stops working, the refrigerator never received the signal to dispense water. Start by unplugging the refrigerator for safety. Remove the dispenser control panel according to your refrigerator model. Locate the small microswitch behind the dispenser lever. Inspect the wiring for loose or damaged connections. If you own a multimeter, you can test the switch for continuity. A good switch should show continuity when pressed. If it doesn't, replacing the switch is usually inexpensive and can restore normal operation. Many replacement switches are available online and are designed specifically for your refrigerator model. Always compare the new part with the original before installation. Inspect the water inlet valve. If everything else appears normal, the problem may be the water inlet valve. This valve is located behind the refrigerator where the household water line connects. Its job is to open whenever you press the water dispenser and allow water to flow into the refrigerator. Over time, minerals from hard water, sediment, or normal wear can cause the valve to fail. Sometimes the valve becomes partially blocked. Other times, the electrical solenoid inside the valve burns out completely. A common symptom is hearing a clicking or humming sound without any water coming from the dispenser. To inspect the valve, unplug the refrigerator and shut off the household water supply. Remove the rear access panel. Look for any signs of water leaks, corrosion, or cracked fittings around the valve. If you have a multimeter, you can test the solenoid coil for continuity. If the valve fails a test or shows visible damage, replacing it is usually the best solution. Fortunately, inlet valves are generally affordable and available from most refrigerator brands. Here are a few simple maintenance tips to keep your refrigerator water dispenser working properly. Replace the water filter every 6 months. Keep the freezer temperature around 0 degrees Fahrenheit, -18 degrees Celsius. Avoid pushing the refrigerator tightly against the wall because this can pinch the water supply line. Inspect the water line once or twice a year for leaks or damage. If you're leaving home for an extended period, flush the water dispenser after returning to remove stale water. These simple habits can help prevent many future problems. Let's quickly review today's fixes. Check for a frozen water line. Test the dispenser switch. Inspect the water inlet valve. If you've already completed the steps from part 1 and followed today's guide, you've now covered the most common reasons why a refrigerator water dispenser stops working. Hopefully, one of these solutions helped get your dispenser working again. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Easy Solutions, and turn on notifications so you never miss another DIY appliance repair guide. If you have a different refrigerator problem, leave a comment below, and I may cover it in a future video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.